Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to take a look at some math questions. Math questions that have us take a look at how we will use multiplication in everyday life. Let's read the first question together. Jim has 3 boxes. Each box has 2 cookies. How many cookies does he have altogether? One of the first and one of the best ways to help yourself with a word problem is to draw a picture. We want to look at what the question tells us we're going to be drawing. We know we have 3 boxes, and each box has 2 cookies. So we're going to be drawing 3 boxes. And what are we going to put inside each box? That's right, 2 cookies. Now, what we have here are 3 boxes and the same number in each box, which we know is just the same as when we do 3 groups and the same number in each group. So what do I have? I have 3 groups of how many in each box? 2. 3 boxes of 2 cookies. 3 groups of 2. And what does that give me? How many do I have? 2, 4, 6. Jim has 6 cookies altogether. For question number 2, we have Peter wants to decorate his bike wheels. He wants to put 8 stars on each bike wheel. How many stars does he need? Of course, we know that a bicycle will have 2 wheels. Just a minute. I think I should draw that a bit bigger. Once again, it's not about drawing a perfect picture of a bicycle. If you like to draw a really good picture of a bicycle, that's fine. But the important thing is that we can see how many wheels we're dealing with. What do we want to put on each wheel? He wants to put 8 stars on each bike wheel. There's a star. There's a star. And if stars are hard for you to draw, doesn't have to be stars. Could make circles instead. We need 8 of them on each wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 on that wheel. Some of them are circles, but that's just an example to show you that if you find stars hard to draw, doesn't mean you can't do the math question. It doesn't matter if they're 8 stars or 8 circles. 8 stars over here. I have 8 stars on this wheel. And 8 stars on this wheel. Each wheel is a group. I have got 2 groups of, how many stars? 8 stars. 2 groups of 8 stars gives me 16. He needs 16 stars. So for each one of these questions, I would like you to show me a little picture, the multiplication sentence, and you can fill in the answer where there is space. For the next few questions, I'm going to read them to you and discuss a little bit, but I'm not going to do them with you. I'd like you to try questions 3, 4, and 5 at home, and later today, I will put out another video that will go over how to do those questions, but I want you to try to do them yourself first. Let's read question 3 together. Marie owns 3 horses. The blacksmith is coming to put shoes on the horse's hooves. If each horse needs 4 shoes, how many shoes does the blacksmith need to bring? And once again, how many horses? I have 3. That's an important word, 3 horses. I don't happen to have a highlighter here, which is why I'm just underlining with marker. 3 horses. How many shoes per horse? 4 shoes. And so I will do my drawing. If you can't draw horses, that's fine. Just draw a box to represent each horse. And how many shoes? Well, a horseshoe looks like a big U. And each horse is going to need 4 of them. And I have how many horses altogether? 3. And then we will need a multiplication sentence to go with our drawing and the answer down here. Question 4. Sarah walks dogs to earn money. She gets paid $5 each time she walks a dog. Today, she walked 3 dogs. How much did she get paid? So she walked how many dogs? She walked 3 dogs. She got $5 each time she walked a dog. So here are my 3 dogs, and each one is worth $5. So how much did she get paid? Jean has 5 fields on his farm. So he has a farm, and with it he has 5 nice big fields all divided up. There are 10 cows in each field. How many cows does he have altogether? So what are the important words in this? We have 5 fields. There are 10 cows in each field. So I will make my 5 fields, and I will have to put 10 cows in each one. And there is room for your multiplication sentence, and you can write your answer down here. I can't wait to see at the end of today all your lovely answers and all your lovely work on these activities for the multiplication. So we've done 1 and 2 together. There's number 3, number 4, and number 5, and there's a little room for a picture and a little room for your multiplication sentence for each one. Take your time with it. It may be a little bit harder than the other multiplication we did at first. Take your time, draw your pictures, and you will do great. I will make another video at the end of today so you can check your answers yourself and see how well you did. But try your best to complete them all by yourself first. Have a great day, boys and girls. Bye-bye.